911, what's your emergency?
Hello? 911?
Please go ahead, ma'am.
Yeah. 911 means that Jamaican they come America many years now, right? For show you how long me the ear 911. When time I just come America, them never have no Walmart in my ear 911. And now them have a big Walmart supercenter 911. That's for show you how long me the America, right? Anyway, 911, me come and me get one little living work for take care of one little old woman. Her head go and come sometime and sometimes she crab it. So I know one or two times she clap me and my head back 911. One time I try to move her from one place to the next. So me just take it and go on. You understand? Me just say to myself, say, Sheela, you never born with gold teeth in your jaw corner. You have to learn how to tamp and crooked and cut straight and suck salt through wooden spoon. You never come here if you can count any cow. Sheela drink milk, Sheela drink milk.
Ma'am.
Right? 911 enough little roast me couldn't get since me come here, you know, cause me couldn't get little work like I connect to put a Michigan and them place there, you know. But me said to myself, say, Sheela, you're not paying no rent, you're not paying no bills, them a feed you. Go and bite and blow with a little one, you yam little and yam long, right? But 911, you come like I say, your girl salt like a Peter.
Ma'am, I'ma need you to slow down, okay? I'ma need to hear what you're actually saying. I can't hear what you're saying at the moment.
911, my friend, one little American for married to. I did love something, but you know say it kinda rush, cause you know say girl want get her papers. 911. I 3 kids, me for Jamaican at the get to a box boat and me I try, me I work hard to try get up here 911. So 911, me meet the little man, New York accent, thick like a oat spirit. 911, him drive one nice feast for me, I say, yeah, Sheela, yeah. But 911, everywhere me turn back and choke me. Would you believe in me tell you say a Jamaican man me married to 911 and him a look papers too? 911 me run off and him run off, the two of we are run and 911 and none of we can help, none not a better area, not a better barrel in 911. Two of we there punkas, punkas.
Okay, ma'am, we'll need you to calm down and to slow down as well, okay? You will need to speak in English so we can understand what you're saying, okay? What is your emergency?
Okay, 911, Miss sorry. You can tell me your name, please?
Are you asking for my name? My name is Betty.
Okay, Betty. This are the problem. My mother ved into Jamaica, and I want to find out if I go to the funeral, if 911 can help me to come back to Mercer.